Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the DayBreaker 25 litre backpack from Ebook. This is in the Cordura Ripstop Black, although they also do make a slightly lighter X-Pack version which is grey. However, I really do love the black colour over the grey, so I chose the Cordura bag. Now, Ebook did send me this backpack to review, but my thoughts and opinions are my own. Starting with the material and the design of the bag, I love the lightweight Cordura fabric and the water-resistant zippers that they've used here. My favourite thing about this bag is that it's one of the most lightweight bags that I've tried. It weighs only 580 grams or 1.28 pounds for the Cordura version and 560 grams or 1.23 pounds for the X-Pack version. It has a very sleek and minimal overall design that I really love as well. The back panel is smooth, but it does have some minor and removable padding, so if you carry a laptop it doesn't feel uncomfortable against your back. The straps are also quite comfortable, and even while fully packed they didn't feel uncomfortable. There is also an adjustable built-in sternum strap which you can adjust to the different notches on the back. There are also 3 grab handles on each side of the bag which I really like, and I think it really helps when you put on and take off the bag. On the left side is a discreet pocket for wallet, keys, passports, or whatever small items you want to carry there. There's also a water bottle pocket on the side of the bag which is great for water bottle lovers. I personally don't use or need it myself, but it's great for those people who do use a water bottle. The Cordura fabric and water resistant zippers make it fairly water resistant for light rain, and water will run off for the most part, but you wouldn't really want to use this in a heavy or constant downpour. Taking a look inside the bag, you'll see there is a slip pocket, and at the top there is a zipper compartment with access to a removable back padding. And if you look closer, there's another hidden zippered pocket for stashing credit cards, and it's also big enough to put your passport too if you did want to keep it hidden in there. Unfortunately, this bag is a top-loading bag, which is more designed for hiking. The lack of a full front panel loading zipper is the only thing that I really don't like about this bag. If the zips just went all the way down to the bottom to give full access, I would consider this one of the most perfect backpacks that I've tried. Nevertheless, it is a very capable bag, and I was able to fit more inside the bag than I thought I would be able to. You can see here I was able to fit my usual clothing packing cube, camera cube, electronic pouch, and my 13-inch MacBook Pro, and on the website they say you can fit up to a 15-inch MacBook Pro. The only other thing in addition to the full front zip to make this the perfect bag would be a dedicated laptop compartment. Squeezing the laptop down the back in the sleeve is not particularly smooth or easy, and I can see it would quickly become annoying if you had to do it on a regular basis while traveling. Having a dedicated pocket would make it a much more pleasant experience. Ebook did also send me this neat little stash pouch which I have here in the black X-Pack version. It retails on their website for $20 and can be used for whatever you like. I'm using it in this case for some electronics, a power bank, and my universal travel adapter, but you could also use it as a toiletry bag or for other small items you need to organize. Finally, the price comes in at $108 for the Cordura version or $126 for the X-Pack version. I think that it's a great price for such a high quality backpack, and it's very lightweight and has good materials. I would very highly recommend this bag if you're in the market for a one bag for travel and don't mind the single top opening design. So do leave a comment below of which version you think looks better, the black Cordura or the grey X-Pack, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.